Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix your Spotify Wrapped 2023 not working. So if you guys are having troubles with your Spotify Wrapped 2023 not working, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Spotify application, tap on the Wrapped option, and if in the case that you are having some issues like, let's say something like this, and the Spotify Wrapped just shows on the top section right here, just go ahead and terminate the application from running, launch it once again, tap on the Wrapped tab once again as well, and go ahead and tap on your Wrapped, and that should work just fine. This may be a bug with Spotify, so just go ahead and bear with the application and just relaunch it once you are having issues. But if in the case that you still can't locate your Spotify Wrapped, what we can do is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi and see if we are having a stable connection with that, and if not, you could actually go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now the last thing is to actually double check if we have the latest version of Spotify, so go ahead and search for Spotify on the App Store, make sure that you have the latest version, and if you do have an update available, go ahead and update it to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you were going to have the best user experience possible. Now that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.